Hello guys, good afternoon, happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. This is the unique and healthy recipes. God bless you for always checking on us here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your toilet cleaner. You can call it Ampic, you can call it any name. It washes your toilet clean and kills all the germs and bacteria in there, while keeping the seat sparkling. This product is very effective even for cleaning your tiles in the kitchen. Let's go on to talk about the ingredients that are needed for this video. Now, number one, I have sulphonic acid. I have sulphonic acid here. I have hydrochloric acid, which is HCl. I have hydrochloric acid here. Then I have caustic soda. Caustic soda is what I have here. These three ingredients are the major, ingredients we are using for this toilet cleaner. What I have here is colorant. I only dissolved it just to give you this blue color. Blue color is always beautiful when you use it to wash toilet. It makes the toilet seat very clean. Alright, so we are going to go right into production now. This is what we are going to do. Pour my sulphonic acid into this water. What I have here is 1.5 liters of water. So I will stir it until the color changes from brown. You see that it's kind of black, but I will stir it until it changes to carton color, and you will like it. So keep on stirring. I always say that when you are producing liquid soap or toilet wash, any of these household items, as long as you don't have a mixer, you are using your manual method of stirring, you are going to do a lot of stirring to get the result. You understand? You don't look at the time that, this thing is taking time. You just keep stirring it until it changes. So I like you to watch it now as it's going to change. This is going to change color, so we keep stirring it this way. It normally takes up to like 20 minutes for you to get the result that I'm talking about, but for video's sake I will shorten the period. So you just keep stirring it like that. Look at it now. The color is changing. It's changing from that dark brown to carton color. So when you are doing it and you are seeing the color changes this way, you are getting very close to the result. So when it gets there, we are going to stop. Then we'll mix our caustic soda also and mix everything together before we add our hydrochloric acid to it, and then the toilet wash is ready. Now the thing is that when you are using this product to wash your toilet, you don't need to use any other detergent. That is why you have this sulphonic acid inside it. It foams very well, so you don't need extra soap when you are washing your toilet. While the caustic soda and the hydrochloric acid will take care of the germs and bacteria in the toilet, so giving you a perfect result. That is why these three ingredients are the best combo that anybody can use when you are producing toilet wash. Alright, so we have gotten to where I want us to get to. You can see the color. You can see it now, it has changed. So we are going to mix our caustic soda now. So we put this bowl aside and get another bowl. So this bowl, I'm going to introduce my caustic soda into it. And caustic soda is very, it's caustic. It's caustic. I'm not finishing everything because what I have here is like half a kg. So I'm using 1/4, and I've done that now. So I'm going to stir this until it dissolves. Now, normally you are supposed to wear your hand glove when you are doing this and wear your face mask. If you touch this bowl, it's very hot because of the sulphonic reaction that takes place whenever caustic soda is dissolved in water to form a lye solution. So you dissolve it. After dissolving it, you're going to allow it to cool down a little. You can see it's just for the video. The camera is not doing justice to it. You would have seen the heat that is being released to the surrounding because this is an exothermic reaction. Of course, in chemistry, exothermic reaction is a kind of reaction where the reagents releases heat out of the mixture to the surrounding environment, while endothermic attracts heat from the surrounding and trap it into the mixture. So now look at it, the heat is going off gradually. So I'm just stirring it this way to let it cool down faster. So but normally we are to leave this for some time for it to cool down, and then you now mix the two together. So I'm going to leave it for some time to cool down. Alright, after like 10 to 15 minutes, you can see it has cooled down. So what we're going to do now is get our bowl number 1 back and pour this into the bowl and then mix it together very well. This is a very, very potent product that will help you wash your toilet clean and kill the germs, making the toilet safe for everyone's use in the family. Every family should have this product. Every family should have this product. And again, this can be used also to wash the tiles. You can use it to wash the tiles, the floor tiles in the toilet, in the kitchen, and your sitting room, and everywhere you have tiles. It keeps the tiles clean also and free from germs. So this is it. I've mixed it up very well. The next thing I'm going to do is to add my acid, HCl. So I'm going to add my HCl. I'm not going to finish this quantity of HCl because I'm making just a little product. So now I add just like half of it. You can see that reaction. One reason why you should always use your face mask. So mix it again very well. Mix it again very well. Now note that when you are using this product to wash the toilet, you are going to use hand glove and you are going to also use toilet brush. It's not meant to be directly on your skin. It's designed or formulated to destroy bacteria and remove dirt. So use hand glove or you use toilet wash, of course, toilet brush when you are washing your WC. I'm going to add the last thing, which is the colorant, and just to change the color and make it dark blue. So I add this. This colorant is not enough, as you can see, or I did not mind because it's for my use. I'm not selling this. So the color is just to make it attractive, but this is what I have got here, and I'm going to make do with it this way. So if you have nice bottles, you can bottle your own. You can bottle it. I want to show you a kind of toilet wash bottle. That toilet wash bottle, so that you can package yours. Alright guys, if you want to package this product, this is the kind of material you should use. It might not be exactly this one, but use this type of material so that this can withstand the strength of the chemicals, the ingredients for this product. So you use this kind of, look at it, this is my own label, this is my own brand, my best and pick toilet wash. So you can use this. You can see this different colors. You can see, it doesn't mean that you have to use blue. If you use this kind of bottles to package this, it's going to burst. It will tear it, and then you will lose the product, and it might also affect your skin if it comes in contact with your skin. So you don't package with this kind of bottle, but you package it with this type of bottle. Alright, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing. But in case you have not, please kindly subscribe today to see more videos from this channel, and I am pleading with you to join my channel membership. You will stand the chance to enjoy many things, special perks from the channel. So God bless you. Thank you, and see you in our next video.